And welcome to Food and Magic. As the summers are here, let's make these colorful fruit popsicles. As they are a healthy option made with fresh fruits and are loaded with vitamins and nutrients and are also very easy to make. You can make a variety of these in combinations and are power snacks in these summers. These are the best way to make the kids eat all the different types of fruits through an ice candy which is so colorful and healthy. These can also be called as rainbow popsicles. So without further ado, let's get started. Here I've taken some fruits and chopped them up. This is one big mango chopped into pieces. About 300 grams of watermelon cut into cubes. About 5 kiwis cut into cubes, which I'm going to puree in the next step. This is one whole kiwi cut into pieces. About 3 lemons for the lemonade, and this is grapefruit. Actually I went to buy normal kinus but accidentally picked these up and it was a surprise when I cut it open. This fruit is known to be a little sour and semi-sweet with a tinge of bitterness and has a high content of vitamin C and is loaded with antioxidants. Here I've taken some pomegranate too. I have cut the lemons and let's squeeze out the juice to make the lemonade. Once this is done, add sugar depending upon your liking. Here I am adding 1/4 cup of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. I will leave this to rest till we prepare the other juices. Let's prepare the kiwi pulp. I will churn this first and then add sugar depending upon the sweetness of the fruit. After tasting, add sugar depending upon the sweetness. I have added 1/3 cup of sugar to this. Add a drop of green color if you wish to. Take the mango and make the mango pulp by adding half a cup of sugar. The popsicles taste awesome when made sweet, but you can skip the sugar if you like. Let's extract the juice from the pomegranate. Strain the pomegranate juice to remove the seeds. I've got a lovely pink color. You can get a deep red color if you use the deep red colored pomegranate. Let's make the watermelon juice. To this I will add 1/3 cup of sugar. This is my favorite popsicle. It tastes awesome. Remember to strain the juice to remove the crushed seeds. The quantity of sugar will depend upon the sweetness of the fruit. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt for the extra taste. Mix it and leave it aside. You can also add mint leaves. Here I'm going to use a hand juicer to take out the juice as the pulp is a little bitter. So I'm just going to use the juice. If you use a mixer, the whole juice will turn bitter. Just strain the juice and it's loaded with antioxidants and is an acquired taste. Popsicles are the best way to introduce fruits to your kids. Here I'm adding 3 tablespoons of sugar to it. And just see the color changing. It looks so awesome. Lastly, take the lemonade concentrate in the mixie jar and add 500 ml of water. I'm going to churn it once so that the sugar dissolves completely. And this is done too. Let's keep this aside. Here I've taken coconut milk and this goes very well with the mango flavor. This is the ready-made coconut milk which I have taken. To sweeten it, I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of sugar and stir it well. Next we will assemble our popsicles. Let's prepare the lemonade fruit popsicle. Add in your choice of fruits like kiwi, grapes, pomegranate, strawberries, and this looks very inviting and is absolutely a healthy option for the kids too. I have added kiwi, dragon fruit, pomegranate. I'm going to add in some mango. Here I'm filling it till the top so that the empty spaces are filled with the lemonade. So adding in some grapes. Lemonades are the best and easy options in summers. Fill it up with the lemonade and place it onto the stand. Isn't this so simple? Let's prepare the next one, which is of mango and coconut. Add in a few spoonfuls of mango pulp and then add some mango pieces and some more of the mango pulp. Top it up with the coconut cream and place it onto the stand. Also, do not forget to cover these tightly. The kids just love these colorful popsicles. And here it is ready. Let's prepare the kiwi mango popsicle. Add in a few spoons of the kiwi pulp And add the mango pulp on top. As both the pulps are thick, they will not mix with each other. Kiwi has a tingling taste and the mango is sweet, so it is fun for the kids to eat this popsicle. Tap well to release any trapped air pockets and place it onto the stand. Do try these popsicles, they are a very good option for health freaks and you can skip the sugar in this if you want. Let's prepare the pomegranate popsicle. Add in your choice of fruits, adding in some pomegranates, grapes and dragon fruit. This is the dragon fruit cut into pieces. Pour in the pomegranate juice and this popsicle too tastes awesome. It's such a colorful treat for the kids. Let's prepare my favorite, the watermelon popsicle. Add in some dragon fruit, few kiwi slices. You can add any fruit of your own choice and fill it up with the watermelon juice. This popsicle tastes sweet and salty and is absolutely yummy. If you're liking my video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes. The last one is the grapefruit popsicle. Fill in some watermelon pieces. Add some dragon fruit pieces. And I'm going to add in some pomegranate. And top it up with this lovely grapefruit juice. Set these in the refrigerator overnight. Also, if you do not have such popsicle molds, keep watching the video till the end to see what you can set it in. And these are ready to go into the refrigerator for at least 6 to 8 hours. Keeping overnight is the best option. I left them overnight in the refrigerator and let's unmold these colorful and healthy popsicles. Dip each popsicle in normal water for a few seconds and here a lemonade popsicle is ready. Repeat the same process for all the popsicles. And here our mango and coconut popsicle is ready too. It's so much fun to make these and enjoy them. My son and I can't just wait to taste each of these. So you too try them at home and these molds are easily available on Amazon. And our popsicle platter is ready. Next I'll show you how the ones to be set in the paper cups too. So this is the kiwi and mango popsicle, the mango and coconut popsicle, the lemonade fruit popsicle, watermelon popsicle, the pomegranate one and the grapefruit one. Doesn't this look so colorful and it tastes yummy? The paper cups are a good option if you do not have popsicle molds. Cover with a foil and insert an ice cream stick and refrigerate for 6 to 8 hours. And here they are ready too. You can set these in steel katoris or in small glasses too. These look absolutely inviting and taste awesome, so enjoy your summers with these colorful treats. And if you like my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes. Thank you for watching.